Residents in some New Jersey communities are cleaning up today after last night's powerful storm. Christine Sloan is live in Metuchen with more on the damage left behind there. Christine?
Well, Jess, the strong winds brought down several trees across New Jersey, including this one here in Metuchen. We are standing in front of the house. As you can see, that tree slicing through an upstairs bedroom. It happened after midnight on Wakefield Drive here in Metuchen. Those fierce winds moving through Middlesex and several other counties here in the Garden State. We just moments ago spoke to the family that rents this home. They say the tree went right through an upstairs bedroom, leaving a gaping hole in the back, part of the debris landing on their daughter. Here's what they had to say to us just moments ago.
She was in the bedroom and she screamed. That's where I knew something is not right. So I went upstairs and I found her under the debris. So I just pulled her out.
Pretty extraordinary. The family is okay, but obviously it was a very traumatic night. We can tell you there were downed trees in Rahway, in South Plainfield, and many people across New Jersey, about 15,000 right now, are without power. We're live in Metuchen, New Jersey. Christine Sloan, CBS News, New York.
Christine, thank you. And the city wasn't spared from last night's severe weather. Trees came down across multiple boroughs. One was uprooted when powerful gusts moved through the Bronx, crushing a car in Pelham Bay. You can see there on the video on your screen, the roof flattened and several windows shattered. Over in Queens, another massive tree fell onto the roof of a home in Whitestone. Fire officials say no one was injured there.